In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a quiz in Google Slides. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can build a clean interactive quiz without starting from scratch. First, open your browser and head to slidescarnival.com/tag-quizzes. This page collects ready-made quiz designs, which saves you the work of building layouts, color palettes, and navigation from the ground up. Scroll through the options and preview a few to see the slide styles, question layouts, and icons you like. Pick a design that matches your audience and tone, whether playful for a classroom or clean and professional for training. When you've found a favorite, select the quiz template and click the button that says Get Google Slides Template. This will redirect you to a copy of the template hosted in Google Slides. You're not downloading anything complicated, you're just opening a version you can copy and edit in your own Google Drive, which keeps everything organized and collaborative. In Google Slides, click Use Template. This creates your personal copy so you can customize freely. You should now see the full deck with title slides, question slides, and often some pre-built correct or incorrect answer pages. If the template includes instructions, give them a quick read so you know how its navigation is set up. Now, customize your quiz template. Start by replacing the title and subtitle with your quiz name and any brief instructions. Update brand colors and fonts by opening the theme or theme builder so changes apply consistently across all slides. Edit sample questions and answers with your own content. If there are answer buttons or shapes, keep them. They're usually designed for clear tapping or clicking. To make the quiz interactive, link answer choices to the right slides. Select a button or text, choose Insert, then Link, and pick slides in this presentation. Link correct answers to a correct slide or the next question, and link incorrect answers to a Try Again slide. Duplicate a question slide to add more questions without reformatting each time. Replace any placeholder images by using Replace Image so sizing stays intact. If the template includes icons, reuse them for consistency or swap them with ones that fit your topic. Use the notes area to add scoring instructions for a presenter or quick reminders for yourself. When you're done, click Present and run through the quiz to test every link and slide flow, adjust timing, transitions, and text size so everything remains readable. That's it, your interactive Google Slides quiz is ready to share and use.